The benefit of pandan leaves here. I take some. Now we're doing nuts. See? Okay. Now here, always. Okay. We put at the corner, especially the corner, to avoid cockroach. I put especially the corner from the door. Every corner you must put. And there too. This is the door. Every corner of the door. Here go. Here go. The other one. This is the can we buy one, but I can also put beside the one. Here done. You can also put inside the cabinet, your cupboard. Thank you for watching. You can do it by your own. Thank you.